If you think you're underpaid, I'm about to say something that might piss you off. Your income right now, the exact amount you're making, is extremely fair. Meaning you're getting paid exactly what the market thinks you're worth. And if you're taken aback by that and you're like, dude, I'm worth way more than this, you can't put a number to my value in the market. The funny thing is, you actually can. That number is your income. Because if you were worth more than that in the market, in the real world, and not just in your head, then your income would already reflect it. Now, all of this comes down to the law of affection, not affection, affection, which states that your income is directly proportional to the number of lives you impact and how much value you create. If you're employed, sure, you might be impacting hundreds or even thousands through your work, but that impact, your employer captures most of it, not you. And if you're running your own business or doing something of your own, then it's just not impacting enough people or the right way, or maybe even both. And the thing is, at a personal level, most people confuse potential with value. By definition, potential is latent. It exists, but it's not developed yet. And for most people, that's where it stays. And so the thing that you have to remember is that potential doesn't pay you. Execution does. Execution in the real world. For instance, I've had tons of people on Instagram DM me saying they're ambitious or they're driven, but when it's time to act, most people just disappear. Don't be that person. Because if you keep doing what everyone else is doing, then you'll keep getting paid what everyone else is getting paid. And so I don't want this to be just another motivational video. I want you to act and do something about this. And so I'm structuring my YouTube channel in a way that it's a one-stop shop for you to, kind of discover these things and get you thinking, but I really feel it shouldn't stop there. And so I've also put together a bunch of resources for you to get started or for you to scale to hit your financial goals. And so if you're serious about increasing your income, especially through means like creating content like the way I'm doing here, then check out this video where I break down how you can use content the right way to build leverage so that you can start making some significant money. And again, you don't want to rely on just views and trying to go viral. It's a completely different strategy. It actually worked wonders for me because I was able to use the same strategy and make over $300,000 from content. But whether you execute on this or stay in the same situation, that's completely on you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.